Hey guys, so today we're going to be adding and subtracting two-digit plus and minus two-digit numbers. So this is for my second graders and some of my third graders. Actually, all of my third graders. So this is for my second graders and my third graders. Yes, stay tuned. Okay, so the first numbers we're going to add are okay, 31 plus 27. So we're going to draw our tens and our ones. So for 31, I have 3 tens. You know what? I'm going to use a different color marker. So we're going to draw our tens and our ones. For 31, I have 3 tens. 10, 20, 30, and 1, 1. I'm going to draw my ones. Okay. For 27, I have 2 tens, 10, 20, and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Now I'm going to add. When I'm adding, I always start with my ones. So I'm going to count up all of my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 ones. Now I'm going to count up my tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 tens. All right, and my answer is 58. Let's do another one. Let's do a subtraction problem. We're going to do always choose sevens. Okay, so for a subtraction problem, I'm going to go ahead and draw my top number, or my larger number. I'm going to start with my 10. So I have 4 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. And I have 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Now I always start with my ones. So I'm going to take away 7 ones. Do I have 7 ones that I can take away? No, I do not. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come over to my tens. I'm going to borrow a 10. Doop. I'm going to break it up. So in this group, there are 10 ones. So I'm going to draw my 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now can I take away 7 ones? Yes, I can. So I'm going to take away 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now I'm going to take away 2 groups of 10. 1 group of 10, 2 groups of 10. Now I'm going to count up what I have left. I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 43 take away 27 is 16. Now it's your turn to do some problems. So I'm going to give you this one. Oh, I'm going to do one more. I'm going to do 56 plus 40. Let's do 49. 56 plus 49. Okay, I'm going to draw my tens and my ones. Since I'm adding, I'm going to draw both groups because I'm going to count them all together. I'm not taking away. So I'm going to draw my tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. My ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to draw my tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I'm going to draw my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I'm going to count all of them up. So I always start with my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 15 ones over here. Do I just write the whole 15 down here? No, I do not. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to regroup because I have at least one group of 10 over here. I need to add my 10s. Anything that's a group of 10 or over 10 needs to go with my other 10s. It's in the wrong section. So I'm going to regroup 10. I'm going to use a different color. Miss Erica has all the colors today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here is a group of 10. I have 10 in this group. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add that over here. Okay? And then that leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So all I did was I took this one, that 10, and I added it over here. It's right there. So I need to put it with my other 10s because it's a 10. It doesn't need to be over here with the ones. It's in the wrong spot. So now I'm going to count up my ones. I have one, so many markers. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones left over. Look, that's that number that's right there. Okay, now I'm going to count up my 10s. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 groups of 10. Now, I don't have another area to add this 10 over to, so it's all going to go right down here. And your answer is 105. Now is your turn. Let's do some problems. So my first problem is going to be 34 plus 52. We're going to start off easy. So I want you to solve this problem. I'm going to pause. Well, I'm not going to pause. You're going to pause me. And then you're going to come back and check your answer or what I have. So go ahead and solve this problem. Pause the screen or the video. Are you ready to check your answer? All right, let's check it. Let me see. So since I am doing an addition problem, I'm going to draw all of my 10s and all of my 1s. So I'm going to start over here. Let's see, 10, 20, 30, draw my 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go down to 52. I'm going to draw my 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And my 1s. 1, 2. Okay, now I'm going to count them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now I'm going to count up my 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get 86? Good job. All right, I'm going to erase this problem. We're going to do another one. Let's do, I'm going to make this one harder. Let's do 59 plus 17. 59 plus 17. All right, so go ahead and see if you can solve this problem and pause. Are you ready to check? All right, let's check it. I'm going to switch markers because that marker is running out. Okay, since this is an addition problem, I'm going to draw all of my 10s and 1s. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And my ones, I have 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I'm going to draw my 10s and my 1s for the number 17. I have one group of 10 and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, oh my goodness, I almost ruined my new marker. Now I'm going to count them all up. So I always start with my ones. I'm going to start with my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so I have 16. Am I going to write the whole 16 down here? No, sirree. I'm going to regroup. So I'm going to regroup 10 and put it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to take this group of 10. This is my other 10. It's the same 10. It's the same number. I'm going to add it right here. Regrouping. Now I'm going to count up my ones, which should be 6. Because that 6 should go right over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you right so far? Good job. All right, let's count up our 10. So we regrouped 10 of these ones into a 10. Now I'm going to count it along with the other 10s I already had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you get 76? Excellent job, guys. Good work. All right, I'm going to erase this one. Oh, that marker's messy. Not a fan of the messy markers. Okay, we're going to do another problem. Look at this dirty eraser. Let's do another problem. Let's do 52, take away 30. I'm not going to do 37. I'm going to do 35. Okay? All right, so go ahead and see if you can solve this problem and pause the screen. You ready to check? Let's check it. All right, so this is a takeaway problem. So I'm going to start with a big number and I'm going to take away this number. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my big number. 5. I'm going to draw 5 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I'm going to draw my ones. 1, 2. And now I need to take away 35 from 52. Do I have 5 ones to take away from? I do not. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to borrow a 10 from over here. Hey, can I borrow a 10? Let me see. Yes, you can borrow a 10. So I'm going to borrow a 10. And so this is 10, so I'm going to draw 10 ones over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I borrowed a 10. Now can I take away 5? Miss Erica lost track of what she was doing. Now can I take away 5? Yes, I can because I have more than 5. So I'm going to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I took away 5. Now I need to take away 3 10s. So I already took away that one because, well, I didn't take it away. I borrowed it and it went over here with my other ones. So now I'm going to take away 3 10s from what's left over here because I already counted that one. So 3 10s. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's count up what we have left over. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Did you get 17? Excellent job. Look, I still ended up with a 7. Okay. Let's do another problem. We are going to do 77 minus 50. 54. All right, so go ahead and solve this problem on your own and come back and check with me to see if you got it right. So pause it. You ready to check? Let's check. All right, so this is a takeaway problem. So I'm just gonna draw just my big number because I have to take away this number. I'm not adding it to it, I'm taking it away. So I'm gonna draw 77, I'm gonna take away 54. So draw 77, I'm gonna start off with my tens drawing. We're just drawing the tens first. We're not starting with the tens. I guess I'll start my ones. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and draw my 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to take away. When you start taking away and adding, you always start with the ones. I'm starting with the ones. I say it that loud so you guys will always remember to start with the ones. So, do I have 4 ones to take away? Guess what? I do. So I don't have to regroup. So I'm going to take away 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now I'm going to go over to my tens. Do I have 5 tens to take away? I do. So I'm going to take away 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I'm going to count up what I have left over. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Did you get 23? Excellent job! All right, we're going to do one more problem. I'm trying to think of something I haven't already given you. Let me see. Let's do... my 8. 80. Okay, let's do 89 plus 20. All right. Go ahead and solve the problem. Come back and check with me to make sure you got it right. So solve it and pause it. You ready to check it? Okay. Let's go ahead and draw our numbers. We're going to be doing an addition problem, so we're going to draw both sets of numbers because we're counting them all together, because add means all together. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw our ones for our big number, 89. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to draw my tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It just looked wrong, so I was checking it. Okay, now let's draw our ones and tens for 20. Do I have any ones? No, I do not, so I'm not going to draw any ones. So I'm just going to draw my tens. I have 2 groups of 10. 1 group, 2 groups. Okay. Now it's time to count them all up. 1, 2, I'm using the wrong marker. Very picky like that. 1, 2, oh, I forgot to ask you, where do you start? Do you start with the tens or the ones? I kind of already showed you. You start with the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do I have any ones down here to add? Nope. So I'm just going to do just these 9. 9. Okay, now I want to count up my tens. This is where it gets a little tricky. I'm going to see if you guys got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do I have a hundreds column to add the other 10 over to? I do not. So I'm going to put the whole 10 down here because I do not have another column to go for the 10 to go into. So the whole 10 goes down here. Excellent job. Did you get 109? Good job. You did great. Excellent job, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today and working on problems while you are on break. You are being such a hero. You are working hard and you're still being engaged in schoolwork even though you're not here. Miss Erica needs to get organized because there are markers all over the floor now because Miss Erica has so many markers, and I love it when I have markers. You guys know how I am about the markers in the classroom. Anywho, thank you so much. I will see you guys next time, and happy Friday.